welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are doing an Etsy swap. What is that, you ask? I'm gonna tell you. So there are quite a few of us that are involved in this collaboration. Now, I do want to say that Cherice from Cherice's Pieces and Trish from QuiltyMom Molly, they are the ones that actually came up with this idea, and it started with just them, and then kind of over the last few months it has grown, and I was asked to join for September, so I said yes. And basically what it is everyone that is involved, Cherice and Trish, will each have like a little wheel, and they will pick a person and then who that person is going to send to. Now the thing that I think is really neat is that they make sure that whoever is selected doesn't get the same person sending them something, if that makes sense. So whoever sends to someone, that person that they sent to can't send back to them. So that is really neat that it kind of allows it to go around. Now, I actually was selected to send to Dawn, who is Cherice's daughter. So I sent her some goodies from Etsy, and I received my package from Melissa. Her YouTube is I'm Spangies. I will have a link to everyone's videos down below, so check them out and see what we all sent each other. We had a $25 limit, around about $25 with shipping. But this is also just to kind of help put the word out for Etsy shops. Let you guys know, hey, there's really awesome stuff on Etsy. So now Melissa did ask me some questions as far as things that I was into. Obviously she knows I'm Southern and I like anything Southern. She asked about color schemes for my home and things like that. So I am curious to see what is in here. I did go ahead and open this box because it is rather large. That's why I actually used a different box in the thumbnail because this one is really big. So we are going to open it, and there is a packing slip right here on top, so we're going to actually look at this first. And it looks like so this says this gift. All right, so the Etsy shop that she ordered from was Border Country Corner. Recycled metal flowers, paper flowers, Kusadama origami, button art, weddings, showers, birthdays, and more. So, there's different, each card's a little bit different. So you can kind of see here, the back's really pretty. Here's another one. Those are super cute. And then these are adorable. You can kind of see there. But again, it's Border Country Corner. So I will make sure to put a link to her channel down below. But let's get in here and see what Melissa picked out for me. I'm very excited, especially after seeing some of the other things that she creates here. All right. Oh. All right, so kind of hide this for a second. So like I said, obviously I am Southern. Big old box. Obviously I am Southern. You guys are obviously aware of that. And I love mason jars. I love any and all things mason jars. And that was one thing that I told Melissa. And when she asked about color schemes, I told her that we kind of had like tan. We did have a little bit of like the sage green, and we had a red accent wall, like a deep red accent wall in our kitchen. You guys, is this not like just so darn cute? It is a big old mason jar with like these paper flowers. Look, these are gorgeous. Are these not? These are stunning. They're so pretty. And this actually, because like with this stuff added, looks really cute for fall. We got the twine, there's some burlap, lace. That is super pretty. These flowers are really, really pretty. So I love this so much. Thank you, Melissa. I think it's so adorable. And the color scheme is perfect because this kind of matches the green, and we have the tan and the red, so it's all in there, and it's in a mason jar, so I think it's so cute. So let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will link all of the other videos, so you can definitely head over and see what everyone sent. You can check Dawn's Cherice's video out to see what I sent Dawn. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed to any of the channels, definitely do. They're all amazing. And I will put the Etsy shop link down below as well. This was super fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, we do have 2 active giveaways going on right now. We have our makeup and skincare giveaway, as well as the giveaway in the Boxy Luxe video that ends on October 13th. Both of those will be linked down below as well. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.